Namaskar and welcome to another video presentation by International School of Hospitality Management. मेरा नाम अभिषेक and I am again here with a topic to discuss on hospitality, hospitals, tourism and aviation. We have with us Ms. Lisa Mukherjee, who is with International School of Hospitality Management for a very long amount of time. Welcome to our show, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir.
Ma'am, what is your role in International School in
I
ISHM?
do take care of the academics. Along with that, I am a student counselor.
Okay.
So
okay.
yeah, I take care of the admissions as well, along with the classes.
तो academics में आप कौन सा part देखते हो?
Front office.
अच्छा, front office part.
office.
All right, one of the major.
Or I may say rooms division, because sometimes
अच्छा.
I do take classes of accommodations as well.
अच्छा, तो this is I believe one of the major subjects of hospitality management,
Yes,
right?
you may say that. Yes.
Okay. So when it comes to front office, let me ask एक बहुत common question आता है, which I'm sure हमारे viewers के पास भी ये question आता होगा. Can a front office manager become a general manager?
Of course they can.
Okay.
It depends how you are brushing up your skills.
Okay.
So it is always like that कि front office से भी हम लोग देखें बहुत सारा general manager all over. Like if you talk about brands, they are working as a general manager now.
Okay. Because in fact, when I talk to a lot of these youngsters who have just started their, education in hospitality management, हर एक के दिमाग में एक ही सवाल आता है, can I become a general manager? Can I become a general manager?
True.
So आप जैसे बोलते हो कि front office manager can always become a general manager.
Always.
Now I have a very I could say a controversial question. एक बहुत controversial question मैं आपसे पूछना चाह रहा हूँ, मतलब कि is front office, is it a woman-centric job, or do actually men have any scope here?
Okay, so if you ask this question, front office, I can say yes, it is inclined towards women a bit to if you were taking as guest relations.
Achha.
But male are also having equal options in front office, as they can become the reservation, they can join the reservation team, they can go to front office, they can assist the bell desk, they are having operators, so many departments, I may say sub departments are there. But yes, if you are talking about guest relation, that is a bit inclined towards ladies. Yes.
All right. But for men,
scope is equal.
Now हम तो ये जानते हैं कि ये जब हम different hotels के साथ बात भी करते हैं, when I interact with the training and placement team, तो हमें यही बोला जाता है कि front office always needs smart and good looking candidates. Now आपके हिसाब से what are the parameters that actually you seek from a candidate?
According to what is beauty, what is good looks, how you carry yourself.
Achha,
color doesn't matter, how your features are doesn't matter. You should be capable enough to carry yourself in certain way that you should look presentable. That's the only funda. That's the only funda.
So coming back to another very very controversial question कि जो हम बहुत सारे students ये मेरे को पूछते ही रहते हैं कि does skin color matter in front office?
No, we all are brown. We belong from India.
Okay.
So color doesn't matter at all. How you are presenting yourself, how you are carrying. I've already told you the same thing. How you are carrying yourself, that is the most important thing in front office. You should be confident. You should be having that zeal to speak to the new people. That's the only thing.
Okay. तो इसका मतलब communication is the key.
Exactly.
Communication is the key.
And I would say empathy. You need to understand what the guest is looking for. You should be always helpful. The nature should be helpful, that you are there to assist them. That's the only thing. Okay. So, अगर हम एक front desk professional के लिए, what is the scope of international jobs? They can always go for hotels. They can apply for cruises. They can apply for aviation. So all these options are there. If you're talking about hospitality sector.
Yes. What about other sectors? Can they go into other sectors as well?
Yes, they can. Obviously, they can. They can go for multinational companies, because if I'm talking about big companies, if I may take the names, if I talk about Tech Mahindra, Capgemini, everyone is having a front office, a operational front office.
I see.
So they can take that also as their career. Even the banks are also taking the students, those who are from hospitality sector, because they are much more polished. They are having that, I would say, the capability to handle the guests or the customers of the bank.
ओके बिकॉज देखा जाए कि अगर डिफरेंट नॉट ओनली ऑफ होटल्स, अगर डिफरेंट एमएनसीज हम जाए, हॉस्पिटल्स हम जाए, हम डिफरेंट टूरिज्म सेक्टर्स में जाए, अ रिसेप्शन इज समथिंग विच एवरी कंपनी हैज नाउअडेज. सो दैट इज द आई थिंक यहाँ पर एक फ्रंट ऑफिस पर्सन, अ स्टूडेंट हु वांट्स टू स्पेशलाइज इन फ्रंट ऑफिस, उसके लिए स्कोप बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है. मेरा आखिरी सवाल पर आपसे ये है कि हाउ लॉन्ग कि सी वी आर ऑल स्टडिंग अ प्रोफेशनल कोर्स. हम लोग के दिमाग में यही चीज़ रहता है हमेशा कि हाउ सून और हाउ अर्ली कैन आई ग्रो और हाउ फास्ट कैन आई ग्रो रैदर. तो और एक फ्रंट ऑफिस एग्जीक्यूटिव के लिए हाउ सून कैन आई बिकम अ मैनेजर?
I will just change the word soon to efficient. How efficient you can be. So it will take a minimum of 3 to 4 years. You have to develop your skills to become a front office manager. You have to take a lot of responsibilities. Once you are a manager, you have to take a lot of responsibilities. So in these 3-4 years, you need to work really hard to develop your skills to become a front office manager.
I believe ये सवाल जो लीजा मैडम ने हम लोग को बोला है, ये मेरे हिसाब से सिर्फ फ्रंट ऑफिस के लिए नहीं, हर एक डिपार्टमेंट के लिए. एफिशिएंसी इज द मैटर. अगर आप कितने एफिशिएंट हो, कि आप अपने एरिया में कितने एफिशिएंट हो, जितने आप एफिशिएंट होगे उतना जल्दी आप नेक्स्ट स्टेप के लिए तैयार होंगे.
And one more thing, sir, you need to love your job, what you are doing.
That's right.
So you are having the passion, so you will grow. If you don't have the passion, that's a dead end.
I think that is what the beauty of the hospitality industry is, and that is what we in ISHM also inculcate to our students.
True.
Passion. ये एक चीज़ है, पैशन है, इसलिए आप अपनी जगह हैं और मैं हमारी जगह में हूँ. That is the main thing. So I'm sure our viewers has had a fair insight of कि क्या front office है या front of क्या मैंने rooms division जिसे हम बोलते हैं. If you have any suggestions, any questions, please feel free to write in the comment section below. We assure you that we'll get back to you with those answers and videos. Please follow us on our social media handles, which is Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Also, please feel free to contact us at the contacts detail given at the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Thank you, ma'am, for taking off from your time, from your busy schedule and coming and talking to us. Thank you, everyone.